Hi everyone, and hope you are all doing very well and wish you all the best ever in your life. Guys, I'm very happy to be back again to you after a very long time. You know, I didn't go to the flying field for almost 3 months already because of the situation in all the world. The virus, Corona, made crazy things in all the world. But today I decided to go and fly my Oxy5 HF. Guys, this helicopter is a very limited helicopter made specially by Luca and me, and we worked really hard to modify few small things on this helicopter, but those things made a very big difference. So today I'm going to do a short flight with this helicopter. As you see, it is with a different canopy, different tail boom, and the special one-way bearing, different skids, and the special tail unit. So let's go and see how this helicopter can perform with me. Guys, the setup I'm using on this helicopter, X-Nova motor, MKS servos, Hobby Wing ESC, Supra X connectors, fully max batteries, and V-bar system, rotor tech blades. Let's go and wait for my next videos.